Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab One, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera. And right now we are in the standard photo mode. As you can see, it is highlighted. So now all we have to do is to take a look at this option bar here, and unfortunately the timer is not highlighted right there, which means we have to open some further settings. And all you have to do is to tap on this three bars icon in the left lower corner, which is also at the bottom of this bar, at least in this configuration. And now all we have to do is to take a look at the third one, which is connected with the timer. As you can see, we've got three different options in this device. So off, which is currently applied, 3 seconds and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. Let me just tap on it. As you can see, it is immediately highlighted. We've got also this information that we just set the timer. And after getting back to the camera, unfortunately, we do not have any kind of information that we've got the timer set. I mean, we do not have any kind of icon here, or it is not shown in the shutter button, which means that we can be surprised if we will forget that we previously set the timer. But that's okay. Let's simply tap on the shutter button to check. And as you can see, our device will right now count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, of course we can turn it off the same way, so 3 bars icon and tap on this crossed out icon here. We've got this information that the countdown is off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.